Hi, my name is Michael Cruz, and today I'll be demonstrating my CSY2028 website assignment 2. So, for logging in to the website with an admin, only they can use these fields to log in. So, let's do something that's not in the database in terms of using the password. So let's do test5 and test. And we should see that you can't log in without the right credentials in the database. So we have a username of admin and a password of password. So let's enter that in. So admin and password. As you can see, it's been successfully logged in to the admin area. So let's show how to insert, update, and delete articles. So let's make one called Sky News, author Mr. Smith, published date of the 5th of April, and article content could be should the UK leave the EU. So let's add the article. The article's been added there, and in terms of the articles here, you can see that it comes up at the bottom. So if we go to the edit link, this will take you to updating this article. So let's change it to Mr. Jones. So now this field should say Mr. Jones if I refresh it, which is done. So, and same with the articles database table. Next would be going back to that specific article, pressing the edit link, and then having a choice of deleting it. So if you press delete, it should remove it from the database, which it has done, and it has done through the table generator. So I'm going to refresh it, and it's showing that it's been removed. So the next thing to go to would be, I think, inserting categories. And I'm right. So for inserting a category, let me bring up the database table of categories. So we got a cat name, politics, and thought. So enter category name. Let's call it government. Let's literally call it government. Press submit. Go to the categories table, and the government has been added. I can drag this forward so you can see government has clearly been added with a cap number of 6. Next would be updating it. So editing category. So the category ID number of 6, we can change that to let's just change that to government 2, just for a test. And you should see that change back to government. So let's just change it back to the normal state, not to get confused. Government. There it is. So next would be deleting a category. So the category number of 6, which is the government, would be deleted when I press submit, and the government category name has been deleted successfully. So assigning articles to category. So category name you wish to set. So if we go into our articles, we can see Match of the Day has a category name of football. First, let me add a new article so it's clearer. So let's go to insert. Let's insert title, channel 4, author Mr. Scott, published date 10th of April, article content should the UK leave the EU. Let's put that back in the database. It's good to go. So in terms of assigning articles to category, so we want to assign what we just entered into a category. So the title of channel 4. So let's put in channel 4. Category name, we should say government. and what article title, channel 4. So you should see in the database that this has a category name of government now, which it has done so successfully. Next, we're going to show how to add and delete admins. So to add an admin, we just simply enter any ID, username and password we want. So let's enter ID of 10, username admin3, password admin. So we add admin, go into that admin stable, and that's been successfully added. To delete and remove an admin that they can't log in now, it'll just be entering a specific ID which matches the admin which needs to be deleted. So let's delete the admin ID of 10. Enter 10, go into the database, refresh, that admin is gone. So now let's look at browsing all the published articles. So to do that, it's in comment form, or no, we go to articles first. So articles. So all the articles are shown here. So let's comment on this specific article. So comment on the article. Let's go to our comments page. That's the only comment we have. So the author information, Mr. Scott. Comment text is, I think the UK should leave the EU. So if we submit this comment, it should be stored into the comments table, which it has done being successfully. So now, to show that all the comments are there, we go on to allcomments.php. All the comments are here, which has been input into the database, and you can see here. So to go on commenting on a comment, we can go on this page with a link next to the comment specifying to comment on a specific comment. So let's comment on that. Let's comment on the EU comment. So in our comments table we can see comments that have recently been added. So let's just put in, I agree, I disagree that the UK should leave the EU. Once you put that in, refresh, another comment's been added in. The last thing to show is searching an article. So let's search for channel 4, and there you have it. The article is displayed below with the recent and specified information in the database relevant to the article.